Good morning everybody, I hope you're well and having a lovely week. I'm really impressed once again with all your home learning. You've done a fantastic job, particularly yesterday with your artwork that you did. First the drawings of your amphora, which were beautiful and I could see how much effort you'd put into them, and secondly your portraits, which you're going to use today, and I'll explain how in a little while. Your 4 activities today are as follows. For English, you're going to log on to Doodle English and you're going to do the SPAG activity first, which is at or an. After that, you're going to do your daily task, so your however many questions a day. Once you've completed both of those, please could you screenshot the results and upload them to Seesaw. The second thing you're going to do today is maths, and for your maths work you're going to do learning part 4, reasoning and Tim's challenges. Once you've completed those, your answers will be saved automatically, so I'll be able to see them and have a little look at how you're getting on. When you've completed that, please can you go on to Doodle Maths and do your daily task, or however many questions a day. The third thing you're going to do today is for topic. So Mrs. Brown is going to upload a template to Seesaw that has some questions on it. Those questions are to be asked of your god or goddess. So it's going to be like an interview eventually. So you need to research the answers to the questions that are provided based on your god or goddess. So you should have some of that information already because you've done research earlier this week. So it should be fairly straightforward, but all you need to do is once you find the answers to those questions, you need to add them to the template on Seesaw, and then you'll use that for the next part of your task, which is for your 4th task today for arts and computing. You're going to take those answers to the questions and you're going to do a Chatterpix video. So you're going to use your answers to those questions, you're going to use your portrait that you made yesterday, and the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go into Chatterpix and you're going to use your portrait to speak as the role of the god or goddess. So when you're answering your questions, for example, you might say, "What is your name?" and you'll record the answer, which would be, if I was Athena, I would say, "My name is Athena." So you need to pretend that you're that god or goddess and give your answers as them. Mrs. Brown has uploaded an example to Seesaw to help you, so have a look at that first and that will tell you what you need to do. Once you've done that, you need to make sure that you do separate videos for each answer, and you just need to save those to your camera roll ready for tomorrow's task. Okay, if there's any questions, don't forget to ask. One of us will be on Seesaw all the time, and do make sure you look at the examples first to help you. That'll often help answer lots of questions that you might have otherwise had. So a quick reminder for today's activities. Number 1, you're going to go into Doodle English and you're going to do the at or an SPAG activity followed by your daily task. Number 2, for maths, you're going to do your learning part 4, reasoning and Tim's challenges, followed by Doodle Maths, your daily task. Number 3, you're going to research answers to the questions that Mrs. Brown's going to provide, and you're looking for those answers based on the god or goddess that you chose to look at this week. And remember, a lot of that information will already be on your iPads or on Seesaw because you've done most of the research already. And then number 4, you're going to use Chatterpix to take your portrait from yesterday and make that speak the answers to your questions. So remember, they need to be in the first person, so you would say I, not the god or goddess says this. Okay, I'm really excited to see your work today. I'll speak to you soon. Bye for now.